Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. Check it out. Today is excavator day. We're going to open up a bunch of these Huina excavators. I've had these for a little while and I kind of really wanted to use them, but I didn't really have a good construction site or excavation site. And just kind of put this together. I got some dirt, we got some sand, just kind of sectioned off this little area of my lawn, and we got some gravel. Today I'm having help from my kids. I'm going to have Kian right over here, Kian and Sanaya. You may have been familiar with them in some of my videos. We're going to do a quick unboxing and we're going to open them all up and actually test them all out today, and just kind of, I'm going to help them. So the three of us are going to be the operators. So we're going to be trying to do three at one time and just moving dirt around and seeing how these things work. Okay, that's basically like a grabber excavator. So it's got like a claw in the end. That'll be pretty cool. And which one do you want to unbox first, Kian?
This one.
Front loader? Okay, cool. So that's like a front loader. Cool, so this one looks like a little bit smaller. Hopefully it can kind of get through the dirt, but should have a 6-channel operation, and that one is a 16-channel operation. So go ahead, have at it, guys. This looks like kind of a snow sweeper with like a wedge blade, but that's okay. We can use it in the dirt too. Cool. Kian's next one. Let's see what you got. You have an excavator. Ooh, the jackhammer excavator. Nice. That's going to break up dirt clods and rocks and stuff. Okay. Last one here. What you taking out? Oh, another grabber. This one's like an articulated grabber. It's got like 4 fingers on it. That's gonna be awesome. Oh, that thing even has like a ball inside the gripper arm. That's kind of cool. This is gonna be good for like the rocks, man. That's neat. That's really cool. This is a crane, right, Kian? Wow. And that thing swinging on the bottom, the actual hook, is metal, yeah? Wow. This just snapped together, and then it all just kind of fell into place. All we had to do was snap that arm up. Okay, guys, it looks like we got all the vehicles unboxed here. We got the claw guy here, the 4 articulating claw excavator. What else did we get? We got the wedge front loader. Actually like a snow sweeper, but we can kind of use that in the dirt. And we got this other one here, the front loader excavator. And keep in mind, guys, these are all the blades and stuff are metal. And then this is like a another excavator with a claw, like a 2 articulating claw. And this one right here is going to be cool. This is the jackhammer, metal here as well. Kian's last one he unboxed, the crane. So this is so cool. We got a metal, this is heavy duty cast iron, metal hook here. These are all real strings. So it looks like it's going to work like a real crane. And these are like, remember, they're like 16 channels. And then the smaller ones are just a few channels. Thanks, guys, for unboxing these. Did you have fun? Yeah. So, guys, if you do buy a bunch of these guys, you want to make sure you do keep the controllers separate, just so they're bound to the right vehicle. And the way the batteries work on these is you open up all these types of excavators like this. They all have the batteries right here where the engine is. Real simple. And they all have these 7.2 volt little stick packs. The only excavator, which is kind of the crane, actually has a little bit of a different pack. It's the same voltage, 7.2 volts, but you can see the configuration is like a 3, and this one goes in the back right here. So it's a little bit of a different configuration, but same voltage. Then when you get to these little guys, these are the ones that you're going to really want to make sure you separate the batteries, because these are 4.8 volt batteries. Also keeping just the chargers separate as well. And the way these ones go is you flip them over and you actually have a screw in there. I've already taken it out, and they just have the battery compartment on the bottom, and these stick packs just go right in there. Easy as that. Probably leave that screw out. Just make sure that tab clips in so you don't have to keep screwing and unscrewing those. So we just need to charge all these things up, and let's get excavating. This Nigel.
That's why you gotta do elbow and your wrist back. Now put your wrist down. Yeah, elbow up high.
where you want to be? Yeah, right there. Yeah, good stop. Now don't turn your body much, or else you're gonna flip it. Oh. Wow, okay guys, well that was a fun excavation little scenario. Crane worked really well actually. I was surprised. I was able to pick up like 3 or 4 of these rocks here in this pile from the bucket over there. Flipped over a couple times, so just got to be careful of the balance because it's such a high crane. This 4-point claw here that Sanaya was using, what do you think, Sanaya? That thing was fun, huh?
Yeah, it was really easy to control and grab rocks.
Easy to control and grab rocks, so that's good. I think hers kind of ran out of power first, and then this little front loader ran out of power second. That thing was actually pretty good for how small it is. You could kind of finagle. It didn't have a huge amount of lift. You could kind of hear what happens. They kind of have this little strip safe clicking sound when they can't lift anymore. But that did pretty well for, I mean, it's like a $20 little toy. It did pretty good. The little snowplow thing, not really great for this kind of dirt and stuff, but it was able to kind of use it as like a bulldozer a little bit. And then Kian's 2-point claw. What do you think, Kian? How was that thing?
Yeah,
Was
it
it
was pretty fun.
pretty fun? You still have battery power, I'm surprised. Yeah, you guys are doing a good job. Look, you cleared all the rocks. That was our main objective for this little excavation run, was clearing all these rocks, and they got it super clear. This little guy over here, man, this thing was pretty neat. The jackhammer excavator, that thing was cool. Basically, I was trying to jackhammer some of these dirt clods over here on this dirt pile, and you could see it cracking a few of them. So it had a really neat like action when you did start the jackhammer and got it at the right spot. The whole thing would shake, and it eventually did break dirt clods. I mean, it's not super powerful, and it's not entirely precision, so this thing is going to move around and it's going to kind of get off point. So it's just for like real rudimentary breaking up like dirt clods and stuff is what it's going to be kind of used for. Anyway guys, that was super fun. We're going to get a dump truck and some other excavators too, and we'll do much more. We're going to try to possibly build and shift some dirt around. I gave away my regular excavator with the scoop, otherwise I would have had that in this scenario too, but I actually gave away my main regular excavator. So maybe I'll get another one and we can combine it, because I do want to do more of these types of videos. Let's do a high five to Kian for your help. Thanks, buddy. And Sanaya, as usual, thank you so much for helping in the video. Again, don't forget links to all this stuff I'm using here down in the description. As usual, I'll have the pricing down there, and also you can check out the website for more of the specs. Again, these are all super affordable little toy tractors. These aren't anything high end, but they're like around $50 each, definitely less than 100, and they're mostly plastic. They just have the cast iron on the tips, on the blades, where it kind of matters when you're digging in the dirt. Just don't have a huge amount of power, and for like a toy, you know, you can't expect that much but for what they are and how affordable they are, they're pretty darn awesome. Anyway guys, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.